In today's session, I'm doing a gut health scenario with chronic bloat and elimination diet burnout. All right, I'm going to play the role of the dietitian interviewing Lena. She's 39 years old. She's self-diagnosed with gut health issues, and she's been bloated for years. She's tried cutting out gluten, dairy, FODMAPs, and is now eating the 5 to 6 safe foods, and she's exhausted. She's anxious around food, and she fears that something is seriously wrong. The goal here, during this quick mock session, is to reduce restriction and build trust in her gut and begin a gentle food reintroduction process while improving symptom tracking. So let's get started. Lena, thank you for coming in today. I saw in your note about the bloating. How long has this been going on? Years. I've tried everything. No gluten, no dairy, no onions, no beans, and nothing really works. Now I barely eat anything, and I'm still bloated. That sounds incredibly frustrating. What's it look like to navigate your meals right now? Honestly, I dread them. I stick to rice, chicken, bananas, and cucumbers. If I eat anything else, I panic. You're doing the best you can with the information you have, but it sounds like food has become more stressful than supportive. I'm scared something's seriously wrong with me. That fear is valid, and I'd love to help you rebuild confidence in your gut, not by adding more rules, but by exploring what actually works for you. Would that feel okay? Where do we even start? First, we're going to slow things down. I'd like you to keep a simple food and symptom journal, not to restrict, but to be curious. Just jot down what you eat and how you feel 1 to 2 hours later. No judgment. That sounds manageable, so no more cutting things out? Correct. In fact, we'll talk about gently adding foods back in, just one at a time in tiny amounts. The goal is progress, not perfection. I haven't thought about adding anything back in. I've just been on survival mode for as long as I can remember. And now you're ready to move out of that. So let's plan to get your gut and your life back, one small win at a time. Inside of our membership, you'll get gut-focused counseling scripts, mock client sessions, and a certification path to help you lead sessions effectively without second-guessing your recommendations. If you're interested in joining, click on the link below and stay tuned for this next mock script coming up.